Why do older adults heal so slowly? The truth behind sluggish recovery after 60. Ever wondered why a simple cut or bruise can take weeks to heal after 60 when it used to be gone in days? The reason may shock you, and it's not just age. One of the most frustrating changes many people experience as they age is how much longer it takes to recover from small injuries, infections, or even surgery. What used to take a few days can now stretch into weeks. This isn't just about getting older. It's about how aging slows down your body's natural repair systems. So, what exactly is going on inside the body? After the age of 60, wound healing slows significantly, and that's due to several critical changes. Reduced blood flow. As arteries stiffen and circulation decreases, oxygen and nutrients don't reach damaged tissue as efficiently. Fewer growth factors. Your body produces less of the chemicals that signal repair and regeneration. Weakened immune response. Your immune system becomes slower to react, meaning it takes longer to fight off infections and clear out damaged cells. Collagen production declines. This protein is essential for rebuilding skin and connective tissue, but levels drop steadily with age. Chronic inflammation. Older adults often have low-grade inflammation in the body, which can interfere with healing rather than help it. All of these factors combine to make healing slower, less complete, and more prone to complications. What you should do: improve circulation, gentle walking, leg elevation, and even massage can enhance blood flow to damaged tissue. Eat a healing-focused diet. Protein, zinc, vitamin C, and omega-3s are essential for recovery. Think salmon, leafy greens, citrus, beans, and nuts. Stay hydrated. Fluids support every phase of wound healing, from clotting to tissue repair. Get enough sleep. Deep rest allows your body to prioritize cell regeneration and inflammation control. Use proper wound care. Clean and dress wounds appropriately to avoid infection, and seek professional care early if healing is delayed. Avoid these mistakes. Smoking severely impairs oxygen delivery to tissue. Excess sugar increases inflammation and hinders collagen formation. Sedentary behavior leads to poor circulation and fluid retention. Overuse of alcohol slows white blood cell activity. Slower healing after 60 isn't just an annoyance. It's a warning sign that your body's recovery system needs extra care. But with the right support, nutritionally, physically, and mentally, you can help your body heal faster and avoid complications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more useful health tips for seniors. Thank you for watching.